Insulated and bare metal pipes in concrete with CS195 and FS195. Select the proper UL system for the following applications. UL System CAJ8001. Note, UL System CAJ8001 has multiple penetrating items. Refer to the above UL system to make sure the penetrating items you have apply. Review the UL system to see if the opening requires additional supports. See Item 7. Cut the FS195 Plus wrap strip to the proper length and install it around the insulated pipe with the foil side exposed. Secure with aluminum foil tape. Slide the FS195 down into the opening so it extends approximately 7/8 of an inch above the CS195 surface. Measure the opening and add a minimum of 2 inches to all 4 sides. Measure the distance between the pipes and the edge of the opening. Transfer the measurements to the CS195. Note, the optional use of cardboard to create a template or the use of a contour gauge will simplify this step. Cut the CS195 composite sheet with a jigsaw with a metal cutting blade with the sheet metal facing you into 2 pieces. Cut each piece of CS195 to tightly follow the contours of the installed FS195 Plus wrap strip and the metal pipe. Place the CS195 around the metal pipes with the sheet metal surface facing you. Using a masonry bit and a hammer drill, drill through the CS195 and concrete surfaces. Secure the CS195 to the top surface of the floor with minimum 3/16 inch diameter by 1 1/4 inch long steel masonry fasteners with minimum 1 1/4 inch diameter steel washers. Anchors should be installed 1 inch from each corner and a maximum spacing not to exceed 6 inches on center. Install a 1/4 inch diameter bead of moldable putty or CP25 WB plus caulk where the CS195 pieces butt together. Install a minimum 2 inch wide strip of minimum 30 gauge sheet metal centered over the entire length of the seam in the CS195. Where the CS195 is unsupported by concrete, install the steel cover strip to the CS195 with steel sheet metal screws on each side of the cover strip at 2 inches on center spacing. After the cover strip is installed, use a masonry bit and a hammer drill and drill through the metal cover strip, CS195, and the concrete surface. Secure the metal cover strip and the CS195 with minimum 3/16 inch diameter by 1 1/4 inch long steel masonry fasteners with minimum 1 1/4 inch diameter steel washers. Install an anchor on both sides of the CS195 seam. Install a minimum 1/4 inch diameter bead of moldable putty or CP25 WB plus caulk around the insulated pipe and CS195 interface and the insulated pipe and FS195 plus wrap strip interface. After the installation of the CS195, clean the perimeter area with a brush and install a minimum 1/4 inch diameter bead of moldable putty or CP25 WB plus caulk at the CS195 and concrete interface. For wall applications, install the fire stop on both sides of the wall.